Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's solve this very beautiful equation before us. We have 4 to the power of a multiplied by 16 to the power of a is equal to 40. And we're asked to find the value of a in this equation. Okay, so let's solve. Solution: 4 to the power of a multiplied by 16 to the power of a is equal to 40. Now, we have base 4 and we have base 16. Let's convert 16 to base 4, which is going to give us 4 multiplied by 4, and that is 4 to the raised to the power 2. Okay, so we have 4 to the power of a multiplied by 4 raised to power 2 raised to power a is equal to 40. Okay, now when you have a raised to power m, close the bracket, raised to power n is the same thing as writing a raised to power m n, m multiplied by n. So let's apply this in solving this part. So here we have, and this is 4 raised to power a multiplied by 4 raised to power 2a. The powers are going to multiply, and that's equal to 40. Okay, now another rule that when you have a raised to power m, we see that the bases are the same, plus a raised to power m minus a raised to power n, the same thing as saying a raised to power m plus n. When the powers are the same, you can add, when the bases are the same, you can add the powers up. Okay, so now let's add the power because we have base 4 and base 4. Now we'll continue. We have that this is 4 raised to power a plus 2a, that's equal to 40. Okay, so this is 4, 3a plus 2a. We have an invisible one here. This is 1 plus 2, that's 3a is equal to 40. Now, to make this equation easy, that is why I said this question will trick you. Let's convert base 4 to base 2 to make it easy for us to simplify along the line. Okay, so to do that, we see that 4 is the same thing as 2 multiplied by 2. That's equal to 2 raised to power 2. So let's do that. We have 2 to the power of 2 raised to power 3a is equal to 40. Now notice that 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So automatically, nothing has actually changed in this equation. We're just trying to make it easy for us. So like I said earlier, that when you have this like this, you multiply the power. So this becomes 2 to the power of 2 times this is going to give you 6a, and that is equal to 40. Okay, so at this point, we are going to be taking the log of this equation. We'll say take log of both sides. So we'll have log 2 raised to power 6a is equal to log 40. Okay, now when you have log a to the power of x, it's the same thing as x log a. Okay, so for this 6a is going to come to the left hand side. That is 6a log 2, and that's equal to log 40. Now we're looking for the value of a. So we'll be dividing by this other part of it. So we'll divide both sides by log 2. Okay, so 6a log 2 divided by log 2 is equal to log, this is 40, log 40 divided by log 40. So log 2 cancel log 2. We have 6a is equal to log 40. This is log 2 over log 2. Okay? Yeah. So now, because we want to go further, we're going to rewrite 40 as this. Let's say we're going to write it as 2 multiplied by 20. Okay? So we now have 6a is equal to log 2 multiplied by log 20 all over log 2. Okay, now continue. So we have 6a is equal to log 2 multiplied by log 20 all over 2. When you have a multiplication, in logarithm rule, we convert it to an addition. Okay, so now we have log 2 plus log 20 all over log 2. Now, because this denominator covers for both log 2 and log 20, we can separate it. We can say log 6a is equal to log 2 over log 2 plus log 20 over log 20 over log 2. So log 2 cancel log 2 give you 1. So we have 6a is equal to 1 plus log 20 over log 2. Just like we did here with rewriting 40 as 2 multiplied by 20. So let's rewrite 20 like this. We say 6a is equal to 1 plus log 2 multiplied by log 10, okay, over log 2. 2 multiplied by 20 by 10 is going to give you 20. So we have actually changed nothing here. So this becomes 6a is equal to 1 plus log 2 over log 2 plus log 10 over log 2. This cancel this, we have 1. So now we have 6a is equal to 1 plus 1, 2, plus log 10 over log 2. Again, we can still rewrite 10, right? We can rewrite 10 as 5 multiplied by 2. So we can say that 6a is equal to 2 plus log 5 multiplied by log 2 all over log 2. Okay, so let's continue. So if you're just joining me for the first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button now, like, drop your comments, and help me so other people can also engage in this video. Okay, now we have 6a, right? 6a is equal to 2. This multiplication becomes an addition now. 2 plus log 5 plus log 2 over log 2 over log 2. I'm sure by now we understand why log 2 is 1 here and it becomes 2 here, because this denominator covers for both log 5 and for log 2, right? Okay, so 2 log 2 can cancel log 2, have 1. So 6a is equal to 2 plus 1, that's 3, plus log 5 over log 2. Now, let's change the base of this part. Let's change the base. So when you have log A over log B, according to logarithm rule, to change the base is going to be written as log, the numerator, and the base becomes the denominator. So to do this, you have 6a is equal to 3 plus log 5 base 2. I said that the denominator will become the base of the logarithm, just like how this rule applies. So we're looking for the value of 6. Let's divide both the value of a. So we divide here by 6 and divide here by 6. 6 here 1, 6 here 1. So a is equal to 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 6. This is our answer. Don't move. Let's verify to see if this answer is correct for this equation. Okay, let's go ahead and verify this equation. So we say check. This is 4 raised to power a multiplied by 16 raised to power a is equal to 40. And we said that we are going to write this as 4 raised to power a multiplied by 4 raised to power 2a, that's equal to 40. And this is 4 raised to power 3a is equal to 40. Let's stop at here. We have our a already. So wherever we see A here, we put in this value to check, right? So we'll plug in our A, 4 raised to power 3, and our A is what? 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 6. Is it equal to 40? So now we can see that this power can simplify the 6. So 3 here 1, 3 here 2. So we have 4 raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2. Is it equal to 40? Now, we said something earlier in the video that when you have a logarithm rule of addition and becomes multiplication. So here, we can rewrite this as 4 raised to power 3 over 2 plus log 5 base 2 over 2. Now, you see that this 2 is 1. Now, it becomes 2 because it covers for both this part and this part. Is it equal to 40? So to do this, you have 4 raised to power 3 over 2 multiply, this is base 4, by 4 raised to power log 5 base 2 over 2. Is it equal to 40? So let's simplify further. This is our answer. This is the answer we got. So we are trying to verify this answer. So this is 4 to the power of 3 over 2. We can rewrite this as 2 raised to power 2, open bracket 3 over 2, multiplied by 2 raised to power 2, open bracket log 5 base 2 over 2. Is it equal to 40? So now 2 can cancel 2. We have 2 raised to power 3 left. So we have 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2 would cancel 2 here. So we now have 2 raised to power log 5 base 2. Is it equal to 40? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 8. Multiplied by log 2 base 2, we cancel base 2. So we have 5. Is it equal to 40? 8 times 5 is going to give us what? 40. And that is equal to 40. So we can see that our left-hand side is the same thing as our right-hand side. That means our answer for A is equal to 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 6 is correct. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share your comments, drop your comments, and subscribe. See you in my next one.